Hi, my name is Chad Millard. I am a PE teacher at Daniel Boone Elementary in the Francis House School District that is located in St. Charles, Missouri. I have been a PE teacher for 9 years. I taught for 4 years down at Carondelet Leadership Academy, which is down in their city of St. Louis. And now I've been teaching for 5 years at Daniel Boone Elementary. I went for my undergrad at Missouri State University in Springfield. I teach PE, like I said. I'm also a middle school girls basketball coach and football coach. Um, I decided I want to get my master's in administration because someday I'd like to either be um, an elementary principal or I would like to be an athletic director at the high school. Um, and reason I picked Fort Hays, I had a buddy that I worked with at a different school who also got his master's from Fort Hays and gave me a high recommendation for the school. Talked about its tough classes and how it provides you the best learning for the achievements and goals as a administrator. So signed up right when I got done talking to him about it. In 2 years, I probably will still be at Daniel Boone Elementary, but I do eventually have goals of moving to the high school level. Um, in 5 years, definitely, I would like to be in the high school level. In 10 years, um, it might be when I start looking to become an administrator. Kind of depends on um, where I'm at in my life, but gotta be almost 20 years as a teacher. I do plan to maybe spend that last 8 to 10 years in education and an administration role somehow. Again, this has been a great learning experience for me, and I am truly grateful for being a student at Fort Hays State.